Hey, what's up everyone? It's Hassan Khan from All About AI, and today I've got something really cool to share with you. I want to talk about a piece of software that seriously changed the game for me when it comes to meetings. It's called Fathom AI Notetaker. So, here's the deal. I'm really bad at taking notes during meetings. Like, really bad. I'll start scribbling something down, and the next thing I know, I've missed half the conversation. If you're like me, you probably struggle with this too. But that's where Fathom AI Notetaker comes in and totally changes things. Once you install it on your computer and link it to your email, it automatically knows when your meetings are coming up. And here's the best part. It pops up on your screen like a little reminder about 2 minutes before the meeting starts. All you have to do is hit Start Meeting and boom, it joins the call with you. No more scrambling, no more worrying about being late. Oh, and did I mention it's free? Yup, free. No reason not to try it out. I promise once you use it, you're going to be blown away by how easy it makes things. It's not just about taking notes either. It records the whole meeting, video, and all, so you can go back and reference it whenever you need. The coolest part is the highlighting feature. If something important comes up during the meeting, you can just hit a button to mark that moment. Even if you don't click it right away, Fathom will retroactively capture the part you missed, so you never have to worry about missing important info. After the meeting, Fathom gives you instant access to the entire recording and transcript, usually within seconds, which is super fast compared to other platforms that take 20 or 30 minutes. You can easily jump to the highlighted moments or scroll through the full transcript to get all the key takeaways. It's so much easier to review what happened, and you don't have to be glued to your screen during the call trying to take notes.
When you're on a call with an attendee and you hear something important that you're wanting to note, you can actually just click one of those highlights and it'll start marking that moment for you. The cool thing here is it is actually going to detect when that attendee started talking and retroactively start recording, so you can be sure you'll get that entire monologue. Another thing to note is that when you start talking again, that highlight is going to automatically stop. However, if you're wanting to manually end it, you have that choice as well.
Fathom also syncs your meeting notes with your CRM, which is a massive time saver. If you're trying to keep everything organized, you can automatically send all your call notes into your CRM profile. No more manual data entry. Everything is updated in real time. What I really love is how easy it is to share the meeting notes. You can share the full recording, the highlights, or specific moments. If there's something particularly useful, like feedback from a client or a competitor mention, you can share just that part. And if you're working with a team, you can even share via Slack to keep everyone in the loop immediately after the call. Now, one of my favorite features has to be the templates. There are a ton to choose from, whether you're in sales, customer success, or onboarding. My go-to is the Next Steps template because it really breaks everything down into what needs to get done after the meeting. It's a total time saver, and it makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. Fathom AI Notetaker also integrates seamlessly with platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. So no matter what platform you're using, it's got you covered. And if you're in the medical field, it's HIPAA compliant, which is a huge plus if you need to ensure privacy during virtual meetings. The free version is honestly all you need. I did upgrade to the paid version, but I could have easily gotten by with the free one. It's that good. If you're tired of taking notes manually and want something that does all the heavy lifting for you, Fathom AI Notetaker is definitely worth checking out. It's free, it's easy to use, and it's a total game changer. I'll leave a referral link down below if you want to give it a shot, but either way, I hope you find it as useful as I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.